ChatGPT is good, but you need to keep giving input text to get output content. You need to be good at giving prompts. 90% of people still struggle with correct prompts. Revolutionize your AI automation with next-gen AI automations. Imagine the level of multi-level automation. This is the next level of ChatGPT. AI Agent, the world's first and only all-in-one AI software powered by 6 different AI engines for all your sales and marketing needs. No need to struggle with multiple AI prompts. Just type in a keyword and the engine does it all for you. Access ready-to-use, done-for-you workflows for various niches to streamline your marketing campaigns. In one click, generate top-notch marketing materials so you can start selling faster than ever before. Launch record-breaking campaigns instantly to get more clicks, leads, and sales. The ultimate newbie-friendly point-and-click and drag-and-drop AI engine that gets you done-for-you marketing materials quickly, and tons of other benefits. AI Agent is a cloud-based solution aimed at creating complete marketing content for any business. Website content, logos, video scripts, social media strategy, ads, graphics, business plans, and more. Using a next level of multi-level automation, this is the next level of ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis. Here are some of the amazing benefits AI Agents has. Create attention-grabbing scripts with AI Agents like never before. Turn any text into a mind-blowing image in one click. Make attention-grabbing social posts and ads banners for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube in one click. Create high-converting email campaigns with different writing tones in seconds. Get good SEO strategy plan with ready content to get massive free organic traffic from Google, Yahoo, YouTube. Find the best images and videos from AI stock library, and so much more. The best part? AI Agents works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Create AI Agent and decide steps. Step 2. Configure agent steps. Step 3. Use agent to automate hundreds of other tasks. Ditch outdated solutions and embrace the reality of next-gen AI automations. Elevate your business today with AI Agent, the cutting-edge solution you've been waiting for. Visit the below link to watch AI Agent in action now.